Our wooden decks are made to be both strong and flexible. They are designed precisely according to historical references. The process of gluing the deck is similar for all models. Before gluing the wooden deck, it is necessary to prepare the plastic base. We detach it from the frame, sand the edges, and remove unwanted protrusions, such as those mimicking eyelets for securing materials. The hatches on the deck are painted in the standard way with a base coat, followed by a final color specific to each type of hatch. The wooden deck is laser cut from veneer and it must be carefully separated, preferably using a scalpel or sharp scissors. After trimming, we sand the edges and check if it fits precisely on the plastic part. For gluing, we can use various adhesives such as model glues, 2-par epoxies, or any other adhesives suitable for bonding wood and plastic. Since our decks have felt strip on underside, we used regular office glue. The advantage of this method is that the deck can be carefully removed and re-glued without damage. If you are using model glues or epoxies, make sure the glue is runny enough and easy to spread to create a thin layer. Be careful not to let the glue seep around the edges or holes on the top side of the deck, as this could leave undesirable stains. The deck of the Mercury ship is divided into several parts. We start by gluing the center pieces. Apply glue to the underside of each wooden deck piece, just like on the plastic deck. Then position the pieces into place. Press down firmly, either with your fingers or a roller. If glue seeps onto the top side, wipe it off immediately. After gluing, use clamps or clips to ensure the wooden deck is firmly attached to the plastic one. Let it dry thoroughly. This method is used to glue all parts of the Mercury deck. Start with the central part, then proceed with the right and left sides. Once dry, I recommend spraying the deck with a matte finish and lightly sanding it to remove any dust. This will ensure the deck has smooth surface that won't hold dust. This prepared deck is now ready for the next steps in building the model. Don't forget that the plastic deck increases the thickness by about 0.3–0.4 mm, which should be considered when gluing it onto the model. If you want to learn more, visit our website or check out our other videos.